Picture this, me, an '84 Camaro in a collision with destiny. So, I'm in a mood, one of those punch-a-wall kind of moods. What's the cure? A ride on my trusty bike, 5 minutes in and I'm zen. But not today. Like and subscribe if you would. Cruising at 35, I hit this wicked curve on pea gravel. Then out of nowhere, an '84 Camaro doing 65, barreling straight at me. I think, oh, perfect, just what I needed. I switch lanes, praying no one else is coming. Just as I breathe easy, she corrects, right into my path. Now I'm wondering, is this a Hitman game level? No time to think. Bang, strap snaps, I'm airborne. Impact, jewels smashed, left leg shattered in 5 places. 7 years to get 80% back. So there it is, me, a hockey puck on an 89 KZ 1000 Kawasaki. Wild ride, huh? That was 14 of the 15. When you figure it out, you'll know. YouTube thinks this video here should be watched by you.